Welcome to all. This video is about how to use a pivot table and dashboards in Excel. So in a data analysis process, this is very important as a beginner. Okay, so this is a basic step of the data analysis. Okay, right now I collect this data from Google. So this is data for the sales report. Okay, so first we are go with the study the data set first. Here this is a row ID and order ID. This is order date, so it's not quite visible to see, so that's why I'm going to realign it entirely. Okay, select the entire all the columns together, press shift key and double click it enlarged, and click the first cell and control shift right arrow and control shift down arrow. Here you see that there are 9801 rows available here. So I go to there in the format of the cells. I choose this format for my data analysis. Okay, write it. Everything set it up. So now go to understand the data first. As before to analyze any data set, first you need to understand the data set, then only you can able to do with the data. So this is a row ID, just like a serial number, and order ID, order date, shipping date, ship mode, what kind of ship, second class and standard class, like that. Okay, here you see that number of first class, same day, second class and standard classes are there, and customer ID, it must be many. Okay, and the customer name and segments. Okay, segments I hope fewer. Okay, it's here. Customer, corporate and home office. Okay, and the country, it's a United States, city, state, postal code, region, product ID, category, subcategory and a product name. So this cell occupy huge size of space. Okay, no need this amount of spaces. Okay, minimize it and click the entire column, go to the home and wrap the text. Okay, so this is it, and here this is sales value. That's it. So this is the entire the data. This is the meaning of the data. Okay, here you see that there is no duplicate values are there in here. Okay, if you want to know if you want to analyze the duplicate value here or not, I cannot say blankly is a duplicate value available. Firstly, click select the entire data set and go to the conditional formatting and highlight duplicate values. Okay, here you see that wait a moment, you see that everything is a duplicate, which means how it works actually, any two cells are more, any two cells values are same at the time, so that's it's considered as a duplicate. So this is not advisable in this data set. Okay, so how to here you see the order ID. You see the order ID here, the order ID. Sometimes the order IDs are same, but it look like duplicate, but you see that the product ID was different, so it is not duplicate. Okay, so right now this data set don't have a duplicate values. And right now we go to analyze some simple analysis. Okay, we are go with the pivot table. Okay, so how to enable the pivot chart? Okay, here go to the insert and here the pivot table, and click the pivot table. Under table range, okay, select the entire table for my data analysis process. Okay, right now nothing to selector. Okay, now I'm going to select the region for my rows. Where is here is the region for my rows, and sales for my values. Okay, here this is a value I have. Okay, so this is a pivot table of one. Okay, I'm going to create the chart for this table, sorry, this pivot table. Okay, go to insert and select the line chart, 3D line chart here. I need to select the value. Okay, select it, insert, line chart. Okay, right, so this is the line chart. Okay, I can able to design it for convenient, for visually soundful. Okay, if I need I can change the design for myself. Okay, if you want to change the design, you change it. Okay, here this is a chart for region. So here there are 4 regions are there: central, east, south, west. All the regions are there. Okay, I can change the element here. Data labels. Okay, if I enable the data label, it gives you the values, and data table, it gives you the total values for each. Okay, this is not necessary for here. Okay, this is also not necessary. Okay, so this is so we provide the name for this. Okay, right, first pivot chart is completed, and then go to again. So this is the first chart of it, and go to the next one to select the category. Here I'm going to insert pivot table once again. So this is the first pivot table and another one. Okay, right now I go with the category. Here is the category. Yeah, here's the category, and select the sales as my values. Okay, there are 3 categories are there: furniture, office supplies, and technology. This time I'm going to use here the pie chart. Okay, pie chart as my, okay, right, it's beautiful. And go to the link under data table, data label is appears. Okay, just like a previous one, you can change the design also, which is convenient and soundful for your view. Okay, you can say it. Okay, you can switch the rows to the column to the rows. Okay, so right, that's applicable here. And go to the next one, select and another one, insert pivot table. Okay, now I'm going to select here you see the, okay, the order date. Once I select the order date, it is splitted into the category of year, quarter, months, and the order date. And here select the sales. Okay, I can select, okay, here it is splitted itself. Okay, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, first 3 months, second 3 months, third 3 months, fourth 3 months. Okay, so it's possible to split it by quarterly, or I can able to select it based on a monthly also. So in this case we go with the years. Okay, year by year only. So so this is enough for ours. So this, we just select the year, that's it. Okay, so insert again the pie chart. Okay, so this is suitable for this category of data set. And again insert, go to the pivot table and select it. Right now here I want to know top 10 customers for my sales. Okay, here there is a customer name and customer ID are available. First I go with the customer name, and here I'm going to select the sales of customer. Here the sales of customer, so this is a customer name and sales of customer. So here I prefer to select top 10 customers. Okay, select the filter and more short operation, sorry, select the filters, and here you can select top 10 items. Okay, because you can select the top 10, top 15. Okay, first I select the top 10 items, the top 10 items only listed. Or I am go does not equal, greater than equal to, we can select between the range. Okay, which options we need, we can able to select it. And label the filter. Okay, we can label the filter for based on these values for myself. Okay, right now I go with the trend top 10 sales. Right, so this is it, we have selected for this values, top 10 values, that's it. Top 15, okay, we just changed it. Okay, and again go to the data set and click the insert and the pivot table and click it here. And now go to select the sales by region, or sales by region, and here sales report. Okay, right. Okay, here now go with the insert. Okay, so this is a line chart for this this sales report. Okay, here you go, click in here, you can see the trend line. So the trend line should be, it must be the arrow must be up. Okay, here then only your business it's smoothing, but here this is not advisable, this is the region. Okay, we must go with the date, yeah, the sales date, then only it's correct. Okay, order date. Okay, so this is the order rate. So you see that the sales is increases year by year, 2015, 16, 17, 18. So the sales is increases year by year. So this is the trend line. Okay, you can change, you can get the data label, and if you have, you can see where the error, which means here it changed, the value has changed, up or downwards is there. Okay, here you can select which value you want to insert, it will be automatically changed. Okay, right. So right now we go with so this is enough for this. So right now I'm going to teach you how to use dashboards in Excel. Okay, first we need to figure out to comes to the conclusion what are the columns we need for our dashboards. Okay, that only we need to select separately. Okay, here I'm going to create a one new worksheet for this purpose, and in this case I'm go to select the sales by region. Firstly, here is okay the sales by regions. So first I copy the region, the entire region, and I paste it here, and I'm going to copy the category of sales. Yeah, here's the category of sales. Copy the entire category and paste it here. And nextly I'm going to select the sales report, sales value. It should be last. Okay, here is sales. Okay, right. So right now we are going to create a dashboard based on these three column values. Okay, so to select the entire data for our analysis. Okay, so click it and go to the insert the pivot table. Okay, we created the pivot table here. So in this case, okay, after you go to insert and you click, you can see the slicer here. Select the slicer. Okay, you can see the slicer and click the regions one by one. Put it okay. All the three regions are appeared. All the three regions are appeared. Okay, so what is the purpose for this slicer? So it is actually here you see the sales value for it is the one by one, all the sales value for the category. First I'm going to select the central region. Okay, in the central region I want to know the furniture. Okay, here this is a total furniture. Okay, right now you see that all these categories are listed, so we go with the selector, so whatever you want to select it. Okay, you see that this is called as a dashboard. Okay, so everything is connected. Okay, right now if I want to see the anything okay, if I change the value if I select it, it will be changed into the chart also. Furniture, total furniture, and the total sales value. Here you see that the highlighted values are actual values, the faded value is not a value for the selected category of it. Okay, based on your selection, your chart also changed. Okay, so this is called as a dashboard. Okay, you can change the values. Okay, it is everything, it's related each other. Okay, okay, thank you. I hope you understand this video. So if you have any doubt or any questions, you can ask me. Okay, see you in the next video.